HVAC winter maintenance tips to help you feel warm, comfortable, and safe in your home. Number 1. Check and change the air filter. This helps to improve efficiency and air quality. GTA HVAC Services recommends every 3 months. 2. Check the function of the thermostat. Ensure that it is working correctly, battery full, no alerts, and is set to your desired temperature. 3. Seal air leaks around doors and windows. This prevents heat from escaping and the cold air from entering your home. 4. Have your pipes and ducts insulated to prevent heat loss and condensation. This will also increase efficiency using less energy to maintain desired heat. Last, and most importantly, 5. Have your system regularly maintained. Servicing your HVAC system annually will help to ensure it is operating at maximum efficiency, resulting in reduced energy costs and potentially extending the life of the system. Regular servicing can also identify and repair potential safety hazards, such as carbon monoxide leaks, before they become a problem. When was your system last serviced?